How to change Gmail in Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the menu icon, 3 lines. Then tap on Settings, scroll down, and select Account Center. Now go to Personal Details. After that, tap on Contact Info. Here you will see your current email address. Tap on Add New Contact and then select Add Email Address. Now enter the new email you want to use. Facebook may ask you to select the account if you have more than one. After that, you will receive a verification code on your new email. Open your email inbox, copy the code, and paste it into Facebook. Finally, tap Confirm, and your email address will be updated. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.